How to install Google Analytics on Squarespace. So here I have my Squarespace website open. We want to select settings. Now go to developer tools and select the first option for external API keys. Now we will be able to see Google Analytics right here, and it's going to show us a template of what the code is going to look like. And I'll just go to Google Analytics here. I've just logged into my account, and you will be able to see your measuring ID right here on the home page. If you don't see it here, you can go to admin and you can go to to data collection, modification, data streams, and you can add a stream here or select ones that you have already created, and this is going to be your ID. Now we are simply going to input this code that we just copied, and if we save it, then we will have successfully installed Google Analytics on Squarespace. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.